Hello, this is going to be my video on systems of linear inequalities. So that's when we've got multiple lines. Whenever you see that systems, that's what they're talking about. So right now, instead of just graphing one line and shading, we're going to graph two on the same graph. So I've got my blue line here, I shaded below, got this yellow dashed line, I shaded above. And where is the solution area? Not where just blue is or just yellow is, but it's got to be in that area where both of them are, that blue and yellow area. That's my solution area. So let's look at a few examples. So here's my first example. I've got y is greater than 1/2 x plus 3. So I'm just going to graph that. I'm going to start up 3. And then I'm going to rise 1 and run 2. There's my up 3. There's my up 1. There's my right 2. And then, is it going to be dashed or solid? Well, I have no line underneath. It's going to be dashed. And it's greater than, so I'm going to shade above. Now I'm going to graph my second line. I'm going to put this over 1 to make it a little easier. Let's do it in red. So I'm going to start up 1 now. And now I'm going to up 2 and right 1. So check your signs, but right now we got all positives. So up 2, right 1. And now I've got a solid line because I have this line underneath. So I'm going to match that up. And then I'm going to shade less than, so I'm going to shade below. So where is the area of solution? Really, it's only in this area over here, and it's going to go on forever. So if I had a number like, if I had a point like, is 3, 1 a solution? Well, let's find 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. So it's a solution of the red, but it's not a solution of both. So I would say no. So which point is a solution? 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 3, 5 is a solution. So when you have that double overlap, look for where solutions are and be aware of it. Alright, let's look at another example. So here I still have y equals mx plus b. It's all set up. Now I'm just going to graph and solve. So this first line, I'm going to start down 4. Then I'm going to go up 3, right 2, and make my line. So down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 2. Dashed or solid? Yep, it's going to be dashed this time because it's just less than. And since it is less than, we are going to shade below. For all this area forever. I know our graph only goes to here, but it keeps going on. And then I've got this green line. So I'm going to put this over 1 again. Anytime you have a whole number. Now I'm going to start down 1, and I'm going to go down 2, and then right 1. So here's my down 1, then down 2, right 1. Before I make a line, I always think dash or solid first, so you don't have to do any erasing. It is solid. And then since it is less than, I don't want to shade up here, I want to shade below. So look for that double shaded area and try to find a solution for me. So it looks like any solution under here, so maybe like 1, -4, 1, -4 is a solution. What about like 1, 2, 3, 4? What about just 0, -4? Is 0, -4 a solution? Well, it's on a dashed line, so it's on a dashed line, we gotta say no. It's gotta be inside both. And they gotta either be able to be solid and on the line, but if it's a dashed line, it has to just be in the shaded area completely. Alright. So I'm gonna stop here and then do a couple more difficult examples in the next video.